In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide sheets in Google Sheets. This is a quick way to keep your spreadsheet tidy, focus attention on the tabs that matter, and temporarily tuck away supporting data without deleting anything. Just a note up front, hiding a sheet is not a security feature. Anyone who has access to your file and the right permissions can unhide it, so use this to reduce clutter, not to protect sensitive information. Start by opening Google Sheets and loading the spreadsheet you're working on. At the bottom of the window, you'll see the sheet tabs. Each tab is a separate sheet in your file, and they're lined up along the lower edge of the screen. Find the one you want to hide. To hide it, right-click directly on that tab. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. A small menu will pop up with several options related to that sheet. Choose Hide Sheet. The tab will disappear from the row at the bottom, and your main view will jump to the next available sheet. Nothing is deleted, and any formulas that pull from the hidden sheet will continue to work. You've simply removed the tab from view to keep things clean. When you're ready to bring a hidden sheet back, go to the menu at the top of the screen and click View. In that menu, look for Hidden Sheets. If you don't see this option, or it's grayed out, that means there aren't any hidden sheets in this file. If there are hidden sheets, you'll see them listed there. Click Hidden Sheets, then click Show Sheet for the one you want to restore. The tab will reappear at the bottom, right where your other sheets are, and you can continue working with it like normal. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Before you hide a sheet, it helps to give it a clear name so it's easy to identify later in the hidden sheets list. If you're collaborating with others, consider leaving a note in a visible sheet, letting teammates know which tabs you've hidden and why, so they don't think something is missing. And if you try to unhide and don't see the sheet you expect, double check that you're in the correct file. Since Hidden Sheets only shows tabs from the file you currently have open, that's it. You've learned how to hide a sheet to reduce clutter and how to unhide it from the View menu when you need it again. Keep your workspace streamlined and your data will be easier to manage.